everybody! Today we're going to be making a cute, pretty crochet craft with a hook and yarn. And it's going to be really simple and it's for beginners. So let's get started. This is what we'll need for a simple crochet craft. We'll need a crochet hook. We'll need scissors. We'll need a stitch marker. We'll need yellow yarn and dark yellow yarn, or the color of your choice. Let's get started. First, we're going to make the inner part of the flower using the light yellow yarn and the crochet hook, as well as the stitch marker. Let's get started. First, let's get our yellow yarn and then make a magic ring. So, to make a magic ring, take your two fingers on the top and hold them like this with your thumb, like that. And then wrap the yarn like this once, like this across, and here straight, turn your fingers across. And then from here, take the yarn, hold it with your other two fingers, and then turn your fingers, take your hook, go under the first yarn, and then go on top of the second yarn, and then pull it, and then turn your hook. After that, grab your hook and grab your yarn and pull it through the loop on your hook. After that, take your fingers out and you made your first magic ring. Good job. And now we're going to chain 3. So to chain, you're going to yarn under, over, turn your hook it, and then pull through like that. Do it again. Gonna leave some space, go under, over, and pull through. One more time, go under, over, pull through. You made your 3 chains. Now we're going to make 11 double crochets into the magic ring. So first, we're going to yarn over. We're not going to pull it through, and we're going to insert our hook into the magic ring. Insert, and then yarn over again, pull through the magic ring, and now we have 3 loops on our hook. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2. Now you have 2 loops left. Now we're going to yarn over, pull through those 2 loops. We're going to do that one more time. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops at a time. Yarn over, pull through the rest. And let's do that one last time. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. 3 loops on your hook, so yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to do that until there's 11 more double crochets in the magic ring. After you're done all your double crochets in your magic circle, you're going to fasten off. But before you fasten off, you're going to pull this yarn tail tight. After you do that, insert your hook into the first stitch from your magic ring. So keep your end back, insert your hook into the first stitch, and then we're going to take another color of yarn, the one for the petals, and you're going to make a loop on it like this. It looks like a U. Take the loop and insert it into your hook. So grab it with your hook and pull it through both of the loops. And then take your other yellow loop and then just pull it tight and then cut it. After that, we're going to be working on a yellow yarn. So now, when we're crocheting, we're going to take these 2 yarn tails that we just cut it, and we're going to put it on our hook as we crochet. So we're going to chain 4 now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And after that, we're going to yarn over twice. 1, 2, and after that, we're going to go to the next stitch and insert a hook. Just like I said, I'm going to put the 2 yarn tails on top of the hook, hold it with the project, and then keep crocheting. So now we're going to yarn over, pull through, and instead of just leaving it small, we're going to pull it up. Instead of leaving it small, up, and then we're going to have 4 loops on our hook. And then we're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. And we're not going to pull through these 2 loops because this is going to be a half treble crochet. And then we're going to do yarn over, and we're going to do the same process again in the same stitch. And then yarn over, pull through, and then we're going to pull it tall, and then yarn over, pull up to 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and do that one last time. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, make it tall, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Now you'll have 4 loops on your hook. And now we're going to finish all the half double crochets by yarning over and pulling through all the loops. Now after that, we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that, we're going to go to the next chain, this one, and we're going to insert a hook like this. Keep the yarn tails on top of the hook, yarn over, pull through, and now we're going to make a slip stitch. To make a slip stitch, we're going to take the first loop and just pull it to the next. So simple. Now we're going to repeat the process, and let's do it one more time. Repeat the process of making this petal along all the stitches, and this is our final project. It turned out really cute, and you can make it in different colors as well. It takes 3 minutes, and it's beginner friendly. You can also change colors of it, or have clips and attach them in the back and have it like a hair clip or any accessories. Thanks for watching. Bye!